Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. It's your boy here, Kirk. Just doing a small video to let you guys see some of the work that we are doing in the garage. So guys, this is a BMW, and some years ago we convert a condenser inside of it. We could not get the original one, so we just convert a Toyota one inside of it. And like I tell you, work just like the original one. The system is cooling nice. So the only reason why this vehicle come back here, it's because the two O-ring them is leaking on the pipe that connect to the compressor. And with this type of engine and the heat that this type of vehicle generate, at time to time the O-ring them will start leak, and once we reinstall a brand new O-ring, it will take years before the O-ring break down again. So here we have a Toyota Corolla over here, and this Toyota have a leak on it. We soon check on that, find exact where the leak is. I'm just gonna bring you over this Honda here. Not really sure what's going on with this Honda. The customer just arrived, so we're just gonna do some checks and see what's really going on. And here we have a Mazda over here. So the compressor and the condenser remove and replace in this Mazda. So right now we're just checking for a leak, and once there is no leak on it, we will just vacuum the system and regas. So guys, as I said, just doing a small video showing you a couple of vehicles that's in the garage that we are working on. And here we have our next garage, next vehicle driving in the garage. Get the AC look at. There. So guys, remember to subscribe and share and like the video.